Oh God, time, you made me feel sweet. And if I'm losing my mind, would you lose yours with me? You make me wanna melt like butter in the pan. It's hard to keep my cool, knowing I'm your man. So let's spend some time.
What's up, guys, and welcome back to my channel. For those of you who may be new here, you've never ever been on this channel before, I want to welcome you. My name's Laura, and I'm super happy that you somehow found this channel or video, because that means I found a new friend. Oh my gosh. Just kidding. I would love it so very much if you would subscribe to my channel, where we primarily focus on lifestyle videos, learning how to love yourself, live your very best life, and of course, Florida fun. Cannot forget about that. If you're new here and you really don't know anything whatsoever about me and you're like, who is this? I got you. I live in sunny Southwest Florida. I have a boyfriend named Nate who pretty much frequents this channel all the time because we love vlogging all of our adventures. Whether we're going to Disney World or Busch Gardens, we have season passes and we absolutely love taking you guys along. We have two dogs. One is a Pomeranian, he's 4 years old, named Gatsby. And then we just got a mini Australian Shepherd named Daisy May, and she's about to be 6 months. We're pretty obsessed with her and them in general, totally in like pup mom and dad mode. Nate's a native, so he's born and raised in Florida. He knows a lot. I love doing decor and home stuff, lifestyle. So if you like videos like that, I would love it so very much if you would subscribe. So with all of that said, I'm so happy that if you are new, you're here, and if you've been around for a while and you're my OGs, so happy to have you here too, because you guys you add a lot to my life, to Nate and I's life. What can I speak? Caffeine. We are just very thankful and grateful for you all. As you can tell by the title of this video, we are talking all things fall, y'all. I have my cup of coffee here, even though I've already had one cup, which is probably why I'm rambling. I'm originally from Chicago, Illinois, so I really miss the season change, like the initial season change, like, you know, when it's still not like negative 30 degrees. I would rather have a nice mild winter over what y'all up north get now. So very excited when fall rolls around, because I love decorating still, even if there's palm trees right outside my window. No, I do not need to buy anything else, because I already have two huge plastic bins that were in my garage. So I grabbed those. I was like, we are busting it out. So that's what we're doing today. Just grab a cup of coffee, chill, snuggle in. Maybe you just had a long day at work. You just want something fun to watch. That's what I'm here for. So we're just gonna hang out. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up even before it started. That's how I know. All right, let's go. We are here at my dining table, which is pretty much still, I would consider this like spring, summer vibes, just in my opinion. So I pretty much like start by taking my little arrangements that I've like haphazardly thrown in and made. So like I found this little guy at Hobby Lobby. It's just a pre-made bouquet, and then thrown in a little bit more white cream to balance out that blue. I have some like harvesty orange yellow type of flowers that are gonna go down in here. I never do the same thing every year because like that's super boring. I'm gonna go grab my bins and be right back to decorating. Like I said, it's a lot of stuff, so we'll just put these there. Oh my gosh, guys, it literally smells like a forest of fall, whatever that smells like. It's in there. All right, so I switched to my vlogging camera. You guys were there, but now you're here. Magic. So does that not make you like soups excited? I need to stop shortening words. So this is what I was talking about as far as the little like harvesty floral bouquet goes. I love this. It's so simple. Of course I prefer real flowers, but for something practical that I can have like every day, I like this. And it adds so much just fun fall vibes. So I just take this guy out, pop that guy in, and call it a day. Also, side note, that was like not that worth mentioning, but I got my hair colored. Thumbs up if you guys noticed or like it. I went super blonde, which is kind of the opposite, I feel like, for fall time. I forgot I got these. I put these in my my vase over there. Him. It's always fun, like when you put things like away, you know what I'm saying? You like put it all away for the season that's ending. When you bust it out again, you just kind of remember, oh yeah, I bought all of that. I'm just gonna go ahead and start pulling stuff out. There he is. Love it already. So simple. I remember what I did. I was like, wow, that looks empty. I filled it with the pine cones and pumpkins. Duh. Great job, past Laura. Good organization. They're just these little baby pumpkins and pine cones. But I just like to fill these glass jars up with these guys. And then, I don't know, just gives it a little something, you know? To be honest, I don't think that I kept these jewels in there, but I don't hate them either. So I may honestly just leave them. So here is just a closer look. What is this called? Apothecary? I never know how to say it. Oh my gosh, I love this. It's giving me just happy fall vibes. So that's that. We're gonna do the same thing there, and hopefully you guys all have Hobby Lobby by you, the store. It's like a craft store that also has home decor, home goods, whatever. Right now, specifically, kind of beginning season of fall, so it's very like, you can get things that are originally, you know, like $35, $40 for half off. And so I always like to wait till that time versus like paying full price, just cause like if you can get a deal, like why not get a steal? It's not a saying. If you happen to go there and there's no sale, but you really want the specific item and you're like, I don't wanna lose this, I don't want it to like not be here, you can just go on Hobby Lobby's website and do 40% off coupon, and then they'll just scan it and you can get 40% off one item. You can't apply that to like something that's already discounted. I feel like everyone knows that, but if you don't know, totally fine. I just told you, go get yourself some Hobby Lobby fun things. Another thing that I really wanna mention, because I hope everyone and their mother can find these. These are the prettiest, in my opinion, glass, like ceramic pumpkins. And I found a lot of these last year. One of the stores is called Old Time Pottery. Very similar to Home Goods, but a little bit lower price, in my opinion. And then some of them I found at Pier 1. It's like very similar, pretty much like exact same, just from different stores. If you guys like things like this, I will try to find these on websites and link them in the description box down below so that you guys can find the same pumpkins. Here is a look up close at the pumpkins. I'm telling you guys, I love them. I just think they add such a really pretty, still like fall, autumn vibes, and then you can of course add in the traditional coloring, but I just really like these. So I usually put like a cake stand right here, so I'll grab that. Here is the cake stand that I like to use. I think it's super cute. I found it at Home Goods a while ago, but I know you guys can find things like this anywhere. I just like using things like this because it can lift up and give just a little bit of dimension and variation. Gray and white, silver, You know it's me. So I'll probably just move this vase that I've had in the middle for a while and put this up there. I got very neutral garlands, so I found some of these last year. By buying all 3 of them and then kind of just making it my own, I saved a lot of money on the overall cost of garland, because sometimes the garlands there can be like $70, which I don't know, I personally think is kind of ridiculous unless you can get it on sale. So I got these each individually on sale, but I just kind of built my own garland and I'm happy with it. As you can see, I've taken the plain like green and white garland and I'm just starting to kind of like form it and shape it how I want. Again, I think another thing that kind of freaks people out is like not really having an exact vision, so you just don't really know where to start, but you just have to start, and then as you go it starts to come to life. I have all these other elements that I can start adding in there, and then as it kind of comes together, and then final touches is you can like place all of these cute little types of like pumpkins and gourds and squash, whatever the heck vegetables or things those are. I think that's where I get hung up sometimes, is I'm like so obsessed with making it like super perfect and oh my gosh, this isn't gonna turn out how I planned or whatever, and it doesn't matter. Like it's fun, it's creative, and I think that if you just kind of play around with it, it always ends up turning out super unique and just like your own creation. I'm dropping things. It does get messy, so I'll tell you that. I'm just gonna keep kind of adding to this and we will keep going, see how it comes. So now I just have like a few other spots in the house that I'm gonna throw some garland up and some little like pumpkin knick-knack things. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. I hope you loved it. I hope it inspired you and gave you some cool ideas for how you could decorate your home or apartment or dorm room. And I can't wait to show you guys what I'm up to in my office. It's gonna be super fun. So again, make sure you click that subscribe button so you don't miss out on any future videos that I post. I hope you have a great day or night, whatever time of day it is for you as you're watching this. I love you guys and I'll see you soon. Bye.